Welcome class to our Logic Designs YouTube channel. Our today's video topic is Shadow exercise 4. In this topic, we will draw another simple object in SolidWorks 3D modeling. So let's get started our today's video tutorial. Before that, if you find this channel is helpful for mechanical design engineers, then like, share and subscribe our Logic Designs YouTube channel. Now let's start the drawing in SolidWorks 3D modeling. Now press Ctrl plus N button for new SolidWorks document. Now you can see here new SolidWorks document window is open and select part for 3D modeling. Here I am selecting part and press on OK. Now you can see here 3D modeling interface is open. Now you can see here on left side, this is SolidWorks today's exercise of simple object. Before the start of the drawing, please read all annotations from drawing to avoid mistakes in drawing. So here I am reading all drawing annotations from this image. Now you can see here there are two views are present in image. The first view is front view and second view is right hand side view. Now here I am creating these two views in 3D. Now first we need to select right plane. Here I am selecting right plane. Now select sketch option. Okay. Now create an half portion from drawing. Here I am creating half portion at left side of UCS. First draw random lines as per our drawing. Here I am creating lines, select line, then create random lines as per our drawing. Here I am creating lines. Now select center line. Okay, for mirror. Here I am creating a center line. Okay, now give smart dimensions as per our drawing. Here I am giving smart dimensions. Now first bottom line 37 mm because this is a half portion. Now this line is 16 mm. Now again top line, this is 21 mm. Okay, next dimension from top to bottom is 76 mm. 54 plus 22 is equal to 76 mm. You can see here clearly in right hand side view. Now press OK. Now again smart dimension, select this point and bottom side and give dimension is 40 mm. You can see here in front view this dimension. Now adjust all dimensions to avoid confusions. Okay, now mirror this all object to right hand side. Now select mirror, then select lines that you want to mirror, then mirror about this center line, then OK. Now you can see here our object is done on right hand side also. Now create one circle of 526 mm. Here I am creating circle by using circle command. Give radius 13 mm. Now give smart dimensions 526 mm, then OK. Now height is 22 mm from bottom side. Now you can see here the right hand side view is now completely done. Now extrude this object up to 60 mm. Now go to features, now select extrude boss base. Now extrude it up to 60 mm. Here I am putting 60 mm. 60, then OK. Now you can see here our right hand side view is converted into 3D modeling. Okay, 2D to 3D. Now create this front view on this face. Okay, for that you need to select the front face of object. Okay, Now we are selecting this front face. Select. Okay. Then sketch. Okay. Now Control plus add button for normal to. Okay. Create one center line. Here I am creating one center line from top to bottom. Line, center line. Select center point. Okay. Done. Now center point. Okay. Now create random lines. Okay. Again smart dimensions. This is 15 mm and height is 22 mm. Now mirror these lines. Before that, you need to create upper side also. For that, you need to create a circles of 544 mm. Okay. For that, select circle command and create circle. Okay. Here I am creating a random circle. Now give smart dimensions. 544. Put it 544. Now create vertical line also. Okay. Before that, you need to adjust height of this circle 54 mm. Okay. Now select create lines. Here I am creating random lines. Now smart dimension is 5 mm. Okay, because this is a portion. Put here 5 mm. Now trim out all unwanted area. Here I am trimming out. Okay. Before that, you need to create a convert entity. Select for convert entities. Select this line, top line. Then OK. Okay. Now trim out this half circle. Okay. Now again trim. Okay. Here I am trimming out unwanted area. Then mirror this entity. Mirror about center line. Then OK. Now again convert entity bottom side. Okay. Now again trim entities. Now trim out all unwanted area. Okay. Now smart dimension. The dimension is 30 mm. Okay. Now our sketch is fully defined. Now you can see here. Now use a feature of extrude cut. Adjust this drawing annotation. Okay. Now next is extrude cut. For that, go to features, then select extrude cut command. Here I am selecting extrude cut command. Then give dimension of extrude cut. Now press on OK. Now you can see here extrude cut is done. Now create the upper circle. For that, you need to create one plane. Now go to the reference and select plane. Select first reference and give dimension is 7 mm because offset distance is 7 mm from front face. Now sketch on this plane. Now Control plus add button for normal to. Okay, here I am creating again circle. Okay, find center point. Here I am finding the center point. Now create circle of radius 30 mm. Okay, and 544 mm again. Okay, select this corner point, then okay. Now next, smart dimension. This circle is 544 mm and this circle is 560 mm. Now convert entities, select these top lines. Okay, now again trim command. Now remove unwanted part from drawing. Okay, now go to the features and select extrude command. Now extrude up to 28 mm. Here I am selecting extrude boss base. Flip the direction. Merge result is on. Now 28 mm. Now okay. Now you can see here our object is done in SolidWorks 3D modeling. Now hide all component sketches and constraints. Now you can see here clearly. Here I am rotating this object, okay, to understand the object looks like in 3D modeling. Okay, I hope now you can understand how to draw this object in SolidWorks 3D modeling. Now you can see here this is the front view of this object. Again I am rotating this object. Okay, next is right hand side view. For that we need to press Ctrl+3 button for side view. Now you can see here our image and our 3D model looks like the same model. If you like our today's video tutorial, then like, share and subscribe our Logic Designs YouTube channel for latest update design videos, tips and tricks in AutoCAD as well as SolidWorks. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.